Do you suddenly have a teenager living in your home? Well, if so, it's time to update their room. There comes a time in every mom's life when you realize your little kid isn't a little kid anymore. And with that comes the need to update their room. Picture books give way to chapter books, board games and puzzles are edged out by electronics, shoes get bigger, and skirts and dresses get longer. So with that comes the need to reorganize this room and make this space fit for a teen. I am currently going through this process with my own teen. We conducted a major edit of his library, slashed through shelves of board games and puzzles, and did a deep dive into his cubby of treasures from his earliest years of childhood. It was a really fun walk down memory lane. We are now updating his closet, transitioning most of his clothes to hangers, switching out children's hangers to adult ones, clearing out those drawers of all the small clothes, and giving his larger shoes a proper place in his closet. Closets are the natural place to start with updating your kid's room. In this case, we raised the rod for the hanging clothes, we added baskets above to contain seasonal items, and put in some small bins below to hold all those accessories. In this case, we completely redesigned the closet. We gave her much more hanging space, more storage space above with all those long shelves, a better solution for drawers below, and we even added a small vanity so she would have her own special place to get ready. Part of aging up your kids' rooms is corralling all of those little toys, treasures, and tchotchkes that seem to find a home on every single horizontal surface in your kids' room. So let's try to find a way to corral them, contain them, and create a clutter-free space so that they can have a haven for themselves and for doing homework. I hope this video has inspired you and given you some ideas about how you can organize and update your own kids' room. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and while you're there, click on that bell icon so you can be notified when I release my next organizing video. In the meantime, this is Cary wishing you, from my home to yours, a very happy, organized day.